Hey, you guys. Literally me. I'm funny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. Hello, everyone. Do I really need to say hello, everyone? Because I literally just said, hey, you guys, when I opened this video. I don't know what's going on there. So for today's video, we do have the August Rebel Misfit jewelry unbagging. Rebel Misfit is a subscription service through Cratejoy. It's really affordable, and last month I loved everything that I got. I'm actually wearing a set of the earrings that came in there. That was a free gift to me. But all of the pieces of last month's set I love. I wear all of the time. I actually prepaid for 3 months of this service, so my monthly is about like $13 and some change. So to me, the value is totally worth it. You get between 3 and 5 pieces of really unique jewelry, and it all has a theme. And this theme this month is called Badlands. It is really cool. I saw a lot of spoilers on Instagram and I was like, oh, I can't wait to get that. So we are going to open this little baby up and check out the pieces. Also, on the last set, I believe I got a discount code if you guys are interested in getting these little pieces. I believe it's still active. It's the code KARA15 and it saves you 15% off of one bag, subscription service, whatever you want to do. So check them out. I will obviously leave the link to their Cratejoy shop below. All right, let's go ahead and open this cute little rainbow mailer. Typical Rebel Misfit branded holographic bag. Okay, so we're just gonna, okay. As always, you get a little card showing all of the pieces. And yes, the KARA15 is still valid. So this is just a little description card of everything that you get. Super cute set. Do you see that? Oh my gosh, so excited. And you know, what good subscription service would be without a piece of candy? This is white mystery. Why not? Let's just go. I mean, aren't all white mystery flavors pretty much like cherry? Oh yeah, that'll get my blood flowing. All right, and you get a card with the care instructions for each piece. All right, the first one that I picked up looks like a choker. Let's open this bitch up. Love me a choker. Let's see if I can show you guys. Okay, so it is a Rebel Misfit tag, and then it is a choker with like this little, what would you call this? A horn, a moon? What would you call this? You call this a horn? I think it's a horn because if you look at the other pieces, it kind of goes with that bone thing, and we'll get into that. But look how cute this is. It's like a velvet little strap. Oh, you know I'm gonna rock the fuck out of that. That one was really cute. I'll just go ahead to the next necklace. This is looks like a longer full-length necklace. Oh, actually, I love necklaces like this because they're independent on the ring, so it doesn't slide. So once you put it on, it like stays put because it can't go anywhere on the chain. So then the back doesn't like slide in front, and then it's like chaos, and I hate that. Rebel Misfit branded tag, and look at this little skull. Is that not cute? It's always so hard to show these on camera because they are just super adorable, but like, you know, with my iPhone focusing or whatnot, it just like never really pans out. This is super awesome, and I'm thinking maybe this, oh, well, look at that. I made my own new piece of jewelry. Tried to put it over my head, and I think that's pretty cool. Anyway, what I was saying was when I have the chance to open this coupled with the choker, that would be an awesome set. Okay, it looks like we got 2 pairs of earrings. So let's just go into these ones because they kind of match the necklace that I just opened. Oh God, these are so, Guys, 13 bucks for this stuff? I mean, come on. Look at these little guys on the Rebel Misfit tag. It's another set of the skulls, and then it has these moons in the middle, and these are also like the closure type clasps, which I actually like. I mean, not that I have any problem with the normal, what do they call that, a string back, but these are really cool. They stay in place and they kind of hang like a little bit nicer on the earlobe. So those are super cute. A little heavy, but not too bad, especially that since it has this type of closure, it'll actually work out pretty well. They're so cute. Badlands. Save the best for last. Although all of this stuff is pretty cool, but these are looking pretty awesome. This is the last set of earrings in the pack. Oh my gosh, look at these babies. These are some snake chain earrings, and it looks like they have like a white enamel coffin in the middle. These are the typical string backs, but oh my gosh, guys, are these, okay, all right. We have to try. Let's take this one out. Oh yes. Oh yes, bitch. Oh yes. God, those, oh, you will be seeing these in some future videos for sure. I love these. I mean, they do feel heavy, but like when I had it in the ear, it really wasn't that bad. Oh my God, look, I mean like, these are fucking fantastic. Okay, so to summarize, this month's Rebel Misfit Badlands collection included 4 pieces. The bone choker, which I love. I think, it's a vulture, right? A vulture bone skull necklace, full length with the non-slide connector. A super cool set of vulture skull moon earrings with the closed clasp, which I love. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. And last but not least, the snake rope and coffin earrings. Oh, these are so me. Wow, super satisfied with that. Couldn't have spent $13 on anything better. Again, I'm gonna link Rebel Misfits, the Crate Joy link below, and use that code Kara15 to save yourself 15%. Super excited to wear these throughout the videos and to work and like scare everybody. So it's just me. That's all I have for you today, guys. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could subscribe so you can follow all of my shopping antics, that would be even awesomer. And hey, why don't you comment on which one of these pieces you like the best? I love you so much. I will see you on the next one.